Hello, this is Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services, your local electricians. We carry out a lot of installations on extractor fans locally, and this short video is to explain about the high volume extractor fans which we install into lofts or attic spaces into people's homes to draw out any moisture air from the bathroom, and it goes to the outside. Take a look through the video of the various fans we put in and the tubing, the backdraft preventers, and also the exhaust either on the outside or the inside of the house.